Chapter 12, Lesson 9, pages 400 to 403, Subtract Fractions. Subtracting fractions with the same denominator. In this lesson, we will study about subtracting fractions with only same denominators. We will not take different denominators. Just like adding fractions, subtracting fractions is easy when you have the same denominators. Since you have the same denominators, just subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator, exactly as adding fractions. Also here we have two ways. Find the difference of 7/10 minus 2/10. The first way by drawing strips. As you see here, we have same denominator, so we will draw a strip divided into 10 equal parts because both denominators are 10. So first use fraction strips to model the first fraction. We will draw a strip divided into 10 equal parts and we will color 7 parts. This shows 7/10. In subtraction, we will not draw another strip. One strip is only enough. Then minus, it means we will cross. Minus 2/10, it means we will cross 2 colored parts from 7. As you see, we have 7 colored parts. We will cross 2 colored parts. This is the fraction that shows the crossed parts. Now count how many colored parts are left. As you see, there are 5 colored parts. Never subtract the denominator. As you see, we subtracted here only the numerators. The other way is by writing the subtraction sentence. Directly we write 7/10 minus 2/10 equals 7 minus 2. Here subtract the numerators only. 7 minus 2 equals 5. And for the denominator we will keep it the same. It's 10. Another example here. We have 6 nines minus 2 nines. We will use the first way. You will draw fraction strips. First, as we said before, we need only one strip. So we will draw a strip showing 6 nines. The strip is divided into 9 equal parts and 6 parts are colored. Then in this fraction strip, subtract means cross. So as you see, when you see the sign of subtraction, it means you will cross the colored parts. How many colored parts you will cross? You will cross 2 colored parts. So here we have 2 parts are crossed. Then count how many colored parts are left. Yes, they are 4. We have 4 left colored parts from 9. The other way, by writing the subtraction sentence directly. 6 nines minus 2 nines. We will subtract the numerators. 6 minus 2 equals 4, and we will keep the denominator the same. It's 9. Yes. Now, to start solve the classwork, here you have the question says, write a subtraction sentence to represent each model. You will have the strips are already drawn. You have here this strip divided into 12 equal parts. 8 parts are colored blue and there are 3 crossed parts. Here you will start first writing the fraction for the blue colored parts. There are 8 colored parts from 12, so 8/12, and then write the fraction of the crossed parts. There are 3 crossed parts. Then write the subtraction sentence. No need to draw because you already have the drawing. Directly write the subtraction sentence. 8/12 minus 3/12 equals, here only we will subtract the numerators, so it equals 5, and we will keep the same denominator. It's 12. Never subtract the denominator. Another example, number 2, you will have here this strip divided into 9 equal parts. 5 parts are colored green and 2 parts are crossed. Write the fraction for the green colored parts. It's 5/9. Then write the fraction of the crossed parts, 2/9. Then write the subtraction sentence. 5/9 minus 2/9. As we said, we will subtract only the numerators. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and we will keep the same denominator, 9. Yes, it is. So I want you to complete the other exercises in the same way, and then you do the homework.